Hi Year 3, this is the spelling words for week 6. So the words are with a K sound spelt CH. So there's various tasks to go along. It's really important that you don't just practice the spellings in a list, you practice them in different ways and just really making sure you understand the sound, the pattern and the actual word. So the first task is going through the PowerPoint and taking part in the activities and make notes along the way and practicing your spellings in a range of ways. Like I said, don't just practice the long list, practice all the different methods that you've been learned in school. And then extra challenges is writing the spellings in a sentence, finding other words with the same spelling sound, and checking the meanings in a dictionary. There's no point looking at the spelling if you don't know what the meanings are. So I think your first job as well is using a dictionary or Google to try and find the meanings of the different spellings as well. So I'm just going to go through what the words actually say, and then you can stop the video and then have a look at the activities and go through the PowerPoint at your own pace. So the words I will go through is scheme, chorus, echo, character, ache, chaos, stomach, chemistry, orchestra, and technology. So after the video's finished, have a go at saying the words again in your head, saying them out aloud, have a go underlining the k sound, and then go through the PowerPoint and look at the activities. And if you don't know the meanings of any words, then use Google or a dictionary to find out the meanings. Okay? There's also the quizzes on Purple Mash for you to take part in. So little and often and practicing your spellings for this week.